In this activity, see question number 1. The first video was disconnected because of some technical problem. So I am making the second video for that and I will upload both the videos. So both the videos are related. Activity 4, question number 1, amount is given, principal is given. You are asked to calculate the interest. So you will follow the formula. Interest, amount is given, principal is given. So subtract principal from amount. You will calculate the interest. Here no need to do it as fill up. You will do it like solving the sums. As first of all you will write amount equal to rupees 1245, then principal equal to rupees 1010 and interest equal to rupees what? Question mark. Then you will write here formula. Interest equal to, interest you are going to calculate, so you will subtract principal from amount. So amount minus principal means rupees 1245 minus rupees 1010. Calculate and you will get the answer. B number question will be done in the same way. C number question a little different, as here interest is given in percentage. So as I said in the first video, so interest is 5%, means 5 upon 100 of principal 3210. 5% of 3210 or 3210. So how will you write it? You will write here first principal, that is given, principal equal to rupees 3210. Then interest equal to 5%. 5% now calculate it here only. 5% means 5 upon 100 multiply by 3210. Okay, so that is 5% of 3210 equal to this 0 will be cut, this 0 will be cut, point will come here, and then you calculate, means multiply these two numbers and the answer will be 160.50 rupees. This is the interest. Now you are asked to calculate the amount. So amount equal to principal plus interest. So principal is given, add the interest and you will get the answer. Problem sums. Nothing is new, only you need to write the statement. Mahesh took a loan of rupees this much, means you will write money borrowed rupees 8250. Add the interest rate is 6%, so you will write rate of interest 6%, and here only you will calculate the rupees, means interest in rupees. Then what is the total amount? Total amount you are asked, means principal plus the interest. So this sum is just like this C number. Amount you need to calculate, principal is given and rate of interest 6% is given, means 6 upon 100 multiply by 8250. You will solve it and you will get the interest in rupees. Vandana took a loan of rupees 3600. Find the interest. Here you are asked to find out the interest. So what to write? Money borrowed rupees 3600. amount returned, returned an amount. This is the amount is 5250. So given interest, see, amount means interest plus principal, and principal is already given. So when you subtract the principal from this amount, you will get the interest. It's very simple. The third one, the last one is Mukta deposited some money in a bank. So Mukta deposited some money in a bank. She got back 54,320. Got back means this is the amount, means principal plus interest. How much money did she deposit if the interest paid? Interest is given in rupees, no percentage, no rate. Interest is given. Amount is given. This is the amount, this is the interest. How much money did she deposit? उसने मनी डिपॉजिट कितना किया था, मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द प्रिंसिपल, स्टार्टिंग मनी, प्रिंसिपल. सो व्हाट टू डू, अमाउंट जिसमें प्रिंसिपल और इंटरेस्ट ऑलरेडी है, उसमें से इंटरेस्ट को आप माइनस कर दोगे, आपका प्रिंसिपल आ जाएगा. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस एक्टिविटी 4. I hope you have understood. Take the help of the pictures, the images that I have sent already, and practice it well and complete in your register. God bless you. Thank you.